Welcome to VisionariesAI Labs Private Limited. I'm Srikanth Dubbaka presenting our product.
Education today is in the midst of a massive evolution. Textbooks and videos can be only so impactful in learning sciences to the children living in the 21st century. Some live experiments can be hazardous or complicated to recreate in real life. Hence, the current one-way model of our system is limiting the creativity of millions of fresh minds. Enabling those minds by engaging them through experiential learning is the way of the future. Scholar is an easy-to-access VR platform experience on desktop computers as well as popular mobile operating systems. We provide knowledge-rich simulations to explain the most complex topics in science for schools everywhere. Scholar provides well-researched content that is relevant and current. Topics for building 3D interactive simulations are handpicked by an experienced panel of educators aiming to guide students to understand and explore science unlike ever before. Immersive and interactive 3D simulations will open your mind to the massive world of scientific experimentation. You can also test the potential of what you have learned through machine learning-driven adaptive assessments and bite-sized videos focused on important concepts. Scholar is a one-of-a-kind virtual interactive platform that will immerse you in all the relevant educational knowledge that you can ask for. And you can access it at any time and anywhere to start your learning journey, whether it is in the classroom or at home via online learning mechanisms. Scholar enables teachers to explore the experimental learning process in the classroom at schools, irrespective of language or medium of education. With Scholar, the opportunities science brings is in the palm of your hands. When you promote the process of self-learning, teachers are free to guide children and build their experiences and grow as independent researchers all by themselves through this platform.